Palomino began manufacturing RVs in 1968. Since then, they have created a wide breadth of travel trailers and fifth wheels that keep RVers happy. Now owned by Forest River, Palomino continues to innovate even in their classic flagship brand, the Puma. Let's take a look at some features you get in a Palomino Puma travel trailer. Pumas pack quite the features punch. On the interior, you'll keep super cool with a 13,500 BTU ducted AC and have the ability to keep your toes warm on those crisp spring and fall mornings on the bow floor linoleum with floor ducted heat via the 35,000 BTU furnace. Your comfort continues with conveniences such as a jackknife sofa with pull-down center drink tray, soft LED lighting, high-density foam mattress in the bedroom, and upgraded soft teddy bear mats for the bunks in the bunkhouse model Pumas. Also in the bedroom, you'll find shirt closets and nightstands in most models. In the bathroom, a major convenience is the wood medicine cabinet with mirrored door. The kitchen is an RV chef's delight. You'll get an 11 cubic foot stainless steel residential refrigerator or the deluxe 18 cubic foot stainless steel residential fridge with ice maker in the destination Pumas. You'll also find 21-inch stainless steel oven with glass covered cooktop and 3-burner high output range, 1.3 cubic feet stainless steel microwave, undermount stainless steel sink with a high-rise pull-down faucet, and storage with ball bearing drawer guides. Other really nice touches in the kitchen include a roll-up stainless steel sink cover, divided silverware drawer, spice rack, and a built-in knife rack. You'll want to keep you and your camp family entertained, and Pumas help assist with AM/FM Bluetooth stereo, TV antenna with booster and cable hookup, USB charging ports, and Wi-Fi prep. A Puma exterior has some great camp features. For one, you'll find a power awning with LED light strip lighting and solar prep. Most will have pass-through storage and backup camera prep. To keep your Puma's interior warmer as well as sensitive wiring protected, you'll get a Darko wrapped enclosed underbelly. Regarding storage, a lot of the Puma bunkhouse models come with an outside storage garage off the bunk room as well. There are quite a few Puma floor plans, from couple-centric rear living models to family-friendly bunkhouses and destination travel trailers. I'm going to start off with the only toy hauler, the 31 THSS. You'll get room to sleep 6, an 8-foot enclosed garage, opposing slide-outs in the living room with a kitchen island, and the option to drop in an outside kitchen. There are a lot of bunkhouses, so let's hit those. The 28 BHSS has a private bunk room with 3 twin bunks, a large slide-out in the living area, and a unique front bathroom with exterior access. The 28 DBFQ, capable of sleeping 9, goes the more traditional route and has the direct access bathroom in the rear next to the stacked double bunks. The 31 QBBH has a private bunk room with room to sleep 4, plus its own entertainment center. The main bedroom has a private entry from the exterior. The 32 Bhdb is the first of the 32 series, with all of them being 36 to 39 feet. The 32 Bhdb can sleep up to 8 and has a bunk room with a slide-out, a half bath with exterior access, a large living area slide-out, and a walk-through bathroom. The 32 BHFS has a bunk room with a slide-out, opposing slide-outs in the living area, a kitchen island, a queen bed on a slide, and washer-dryer prep. Sleeping up to 9 is the 32 BHIS. This Puma has double-stacked double beds, opposing slide-outs, large pantry, large bathroom, and a private exterior entry for the bedroom. The 32 BHKS puts a slide-out into the bunk room, places a large living area slide-out on the entry side, and has a large kitchen island. The 32 BHQS can sleep 8 and has the private bunk room, half bath with exterior access, a large living area slide-out, washer-dryer prep, and a unique queen bed slide on the entry side. The 32 DBTS pushes the bathroom next to the large bunk room with its opposing slides and entertainment center, a large kitchen with a walk-in pantry, and a bedroom with dual pocket doors up front. Sleeping up to 7, the 32 MBDS has massive opposing slide-outs in the living area, a hide-a-bed against the back wall, and a unique mid-bunk room with a sofa. The 32 RBFQ has a private bunk room, a large living area slide out, queen bed on a slide, and washer dryer prep. The final bunkhouse is the destination or park model, the 39 PQB. Over 42 feet, the 39 PQB can sleep up to 9. You'll find a private bunk room in the back with a half bath that has direct access from the exterior. Ample living area space leads to the large bedroom with a king bed and a slide. Now let's take a look at the rear living Pumas, starting with the rear kitchen models. The 25 RKQB has a nice L-shaped kitchen and a living room slide out. It can sleep up to 4. The 28 RKQS has a massive L-shaped kitchen and a living room slide out with a pair of recliners. The 30 RKQS can sleep 4 and has a nice L-shaped kitchen and a living room slide out, plus a queen bed on a slide out and washer dryer prep. Continuing on with the rest of the rear living floor plans, the 26 RBSS has an efficient bathroom with a sizable shower, large slide out, and a walk-in pantry. The 27 RLSS has recliners sitting against the back wall, a large slide out, and a private entry from the exterior for the bedroom. Sleeping 5, the 31 RLQS has massive opposing slide outs, a kitchen island, queen bed in a slide, and washer dryer prep. Now, we come to some unique Puma floor plans. The 26 FKDS is a smaller front kitchen model with plenty of counter space and the master bedroom in the rear with its own private door from the exterior. The 31 FKRK has a massive front kitchen with plenty of counter space and a full-length pantry. You'll also find a pair of recliners in the large slide-out and a king bed in its own slide. Puma has some great destination travel trailers that are all at least 40 feet long, capable of sleeping at least 4, all having washer dryer prep and most having a king bed. We mentioned a bunkhouse model earlier, but there are more. The 37 PFL has massive opposing slide outs, a kitchen island, plus a huge bedroom with a bed in a slide. The 38 DEN or Den has a unique setup in the rear with recliners, opposing sofas, and a large entertainment center. The dining area has a bench and chairs combo. The 38 RLB has a classic opposing slide-out living room, queen bed up front, and a mid-bunk room. The 38 RLQ has opposing slide-outs, an island counter in between them, and a large master bedroom. The 39 DBT pulls out all the stops with a master bedroom up front and a second bedroom with its own private bathroom in the rear. The 39 FKL places the master bedroom in the rear and the kitchen up front. The kitchen has a ton of counter space and a unique breakfast nook with bar stools. In the middle is a den with opposing slide-outs. As you can tell, the Puma line really pushes a lot of floor plans at you in order to make sure you'll be able to find one to fit you and your family's RVing desires. Enjoy shopping for your Puma and happy camping.